Sup Froff dogs? On the last video, we slayed some timber berms in the Maryvale Pines. It was too good to be blue. On today's video, shuttles, loose units, and sick times. Froff's off chops and in Mount Taylor.
Get Froff chops. Get Froff chops. Get Froff chops with the Froff.
It's an early morning. Just heading to Mount Taylor to do some shuttles with the tent pin. Oh, big boys at the Hungry Jacks, eh? What's going on?
Oh, now we know who tent pimp is. No one told me who tent pimp was.
And now I know how much this will cost.
What do you stay up to, eh? There we go.
Cheers.
Mount Taylor has enough trail to keep most riders happy. We decided to warm up on the flow trail before having a crack at some of the harder trails here.
Oh, it's muddy. Hey. Oh. Were you gonna go over that? You're a mad dog, mate. Nice one. Oh. Rare. There's plenty of grit. That was good. Plenty of grip in the corners. It's just wet. Oh, nice. Oh, sick. Oh, nice. Oh. Go on. That was good. Thanks, dude.
We're going downhill.
The old downhill or the new one?
Old one.
Sick. Woo! Loose unit. Oh. That's so fun, that track. You go, bro.
I want to stand again.
Oh. 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 Whoa, I landed right in that rut then. Oh, that was sick. Woo! Yeah. Whoa, whoa. I don't know what happened. My front wheel hit something. And then I was going for a tree, and then some, like the whole bike did like 180. Like with me on it though. Like. You work at Bandstar Bikes, don't you? Yeah. Yeah, that is sick.
You're the YouTube guy, Froff.
Yeah. I'm gonna get a little clip of that. Yeah, that's sick. So the downhill? Right, eh? Oh shit! Oh no! That was the wrong line, eh?
I'm looking at you, aren't I? What's he doing up there?
You're right. Oh, get out. Fuck.
Alright. Nah, we gotta do it, bro.
You got that, bro. I'll give you a bit of a gap. I nearly hit that stump. I can't believe. What's everyone thinking?
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I don't mind doing the chicken run again. I love that. It's just the best ever.
Yeah, sweet chicken run.
Everyone follows me. Come do the vlog. Alright, that's cool.
I was coming way too hot.
Darren.
Oh, right.
I don't know if you want to say it was Darren because he was like 10 metres down there.
Where's the jump?
To where you are from here. Oh, get out.
Something feels different. Oh, that was an experience.
Yep.
Yes.
After too many close calls and a snapped hanger, it's time to call it a day.
Yes!
Oh man.
It's been so sick riding with a bunch of shredders in Mount Taylor. A massive shout out to the legends that organised the whole day. Mount Taylor is a rad spot and it's definitely worth checking out. If you enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.